is Roberto Barbera. I'm from the Consorzio Cometa, who is one of the partners of the Humanity Support Project. And I'm here to tell you about the Africa ROC, the Regional Operations Center that has been set up to support the users and the sites belonging to the EU Medgrid infrastructure. So the Africa Regional Operations Center is supported and maintained by Medgrid Support in conjunction with other projects, namely EPIC, namely SA Grid, the South African grid, and from its start from the Chain project from the 1st of December 2010. Africa ROC is meant to be a single entry point for system administrators of the sites belonging to the region to get support about how to install, troubleshoot and maintain their installations, and also a unique entry point for users to know how to submit tickets and how to access the infrastructure. As of today, the Africa ROC gathers sites not only from the Medgrid countries, but also from the United Arab Emirates and from South Africa. And there are plans to include other sites from Senegal and from other African countries participating to other projects like the HP UNESCO Catalyst project.